not to foreshadow anything, but we just had a really great discussion with a local, if you will, about the importance of supporting local businesses if you're a brewery, if you're someone who wants to establish yourself in this area. So the fact that they're doing stuff like that, donating funds to a radio station.
True.
The fact that and I talked about this at the last time we had a Ramble West beer on the podcast, the fact that they're, being the host for post-ride beers for North Rim Adventure Sports on every other Thursday for gravel rides. And that's such a small thing that for them to do, but it's going the extra mile, right? It's doing the things that makes them known in the community as a friendly neighbor in the area. Like, hey, you guys want to, be super sweaty and come have a beer in our spot? Absolutely, come over.
Sunday sips. Sunday sips.